Hi everyone, I'm Daryna, and welcome to this brand new series where we'll explore the real unspoken truths of working in construction with a special focus on quantity surveying. In this first episode, I want to take you on a journey back to the start, back to when I was just beginning my career, full of curiosity, determination, and honestly, a lot of unanswered questions. Because let's be real, no one truly explained to me what a quantity surveyor actually does. And if you're new to this or considering joining the industry, you might be wondering the same. Let's go back to those early years. I remember telling someone I was starting my role as assistant quantity surveyor, and they asked me if that meant I was going to count bricks for a living. At the time, it felt so frustrating, such a simplistic, almost dismissive understanding of the role. But over time, I came to realize that the misunderstanding wasn't entirely their fault. Quantity surveying is one of those professions that hides behind the scenes. It's essential, it's everywhere, but is rarely recognized unless something goes wrong. So let me break it down for you, not in bullet points or boring textbook definitions, but in the real life, everyday experiences of someone who's been doing this for over 15 years. A QS is essentially the financial backbone of any construction project. We manage money, contracts, timelines, expectations, and most importantly, we manage risk. Imagine building a house without ever looking at the cost. Sounds insane, right? That's what we prevent. We ensure projects stay within budget, avoid overspending, and deliver what they promise. We work closely with architects, engineers, contractors, and clients. We estimate costs, evaluate tenders, negotiate contracts, assess progress claims, and make sure the client gets value for money. It's a blend of technical skill, financial acumen, negotiation tactics, and project management. But it's also about intuition, about knowing when something feels off before it becomes a problem. Let's pause here. Imagine you're starting a project. Maybe it's your dream home or a commercial space. Wouldn't you want someone in your corner making sure every pound or dollar is being used wisely? Someone to tell you, hey, this might look cheap now, but it'll cost you later. That's what we do. We look ahead so you don't fall behind. If you're watching this thinking, maybe this is a career for me, here's the beauty of it. Quantity surveying opens doors across the world. I've worked on projects in different countries, collaborated with diverse teams, and grown in ways I never imagined. That's why I created this YouTube channel and my Telegram group. I want to build a community where we share knowledge, opportunities, and even challenges. In fact, if you head to our Telegram channel right now, you can download a free CV template designed specifically for quantity surveying and commercial roles. I've used this format to land interviews with top-tier firms, and now it's yours, completely free. You can download a free CV template designed specifically for quantity surveying and commercial roles. I've used this format to land job interviews with top-tier firms, and now it's yours, completely free. So, whether you're already working in the industry or just thinking about stepping in, I hope this gave you a deeper insight into who we really are as quantity surveyors. And trust me, this is just the beginning. In the next episode, we'll look at why hiring a quantity surveyor isn't a cost. It's an investment that pays back tenfold. If this video helped clarify anything for you, please hit like, leave a comment, and subscribe. I'd love to know what brought you here and what questions you have. All right, see you in episode 2. And don't forget to join the Telegram group. We've got more resources and discussions happening over there every day.